Who's better? Me? Kale. Amazon FBA product research? I'm gonna kick your ass.
I'm feeling good, I'm feeling pretty pumped up. My strategy is the tried, true, tested bestseller method. All I know is that for our companies, I've been doing the product research. Kale has not. I even did the product research videos in 9U 2.0, so I don't know what Kale's thinking. I don't know what he's even attempting to do, but he is going to get beat.
I don't know what that guy just told you, but I am a great product researcher and I'm about to prove it. I don't know what method I'm gonna use, but if I have to throw his computer off the table, if I have to do anything necessary, I will be victorious.
Get out of here!
You get out of here. No! Don't touch my computer!
I will throw this. If I lose, I will throw it. I will throw it out! So now we are gonna do a poll. Who is going to win this battle? Taylor, who is terrible at product research, or Kale?
Kale.
Who is great?
Shut up. Kale is terrible. Okay, listen. Ready? 5-minute clock. 5-minute clock. Ready, set, go.
Hey! I don't think you know what I'm doing here, but this is cheating for sure. Hey! Get your hand off my computer!
Products.
Hey, Christmas stuff is popping right now.
You're using seasonal products. You're
Okay.
cheating.
Oh, no, that's not what I need. Okay. Pulling the related. Come on, Christmas! Come on, Christmas! Help me out! Wait.
He's crazy, guys.
Guys, boost 9. Boost 9. Oh, I got one. Found one!
What?
One down! 10 and 7. Boom. Okay, you have to screenshot your highest revenue. That's the deal. Oh, I got 135,000 down here. 135,000. Ka-ching! Okay, where you at, bro? Where you at, bro? Hold on. No.
You're cheating.
Yes, I am. I told you I would lie.
We're just gonna do seasonal
4 minutes left, let's go.
products now. That it's already too late to put up in Q4.
Yes. If it means I win this contest. Oh, wait, wrapping paper doesn't count. I already had that one. Okay,
Yeah,
wait.
back off, bro.
That doesn't count. Wait, come on. Wrapping paper cutter tool, wrapping paper storage, wrapping paper.
Right, let's see what happens.
Birthday.
We'll see what happens.
Wrapping paper. Oh, wrapping paper set.
That's the same thing!
No, it's not. 8 and 8, baby. 2 down. Wait, hold on. Oh, 135. No, it's the same one. Oh, that might be cheating.
That is cheating.
All right, we won't count that one. Okay, I only got one.
You can't do that!
Why not?
You're cheating.
This isn't 7 and 7. You're cheating. You're doing rose gold.
There were no
That's
rules that said you couldn't
BS.
use rose gold.
You can't use rose gold. Okay, hold on. View related markets.
No. Rose gold
You can't
ornaments.
use.
Done.
All right, we're gonna
Back out. 9 and 8.
We may have to.
Look at this. $109,000.
He's
Back off.
3 minutes. 3 minutes. I got this.
Off, Kale. Back off, bro.
What else can I
You
use?
don't know what you're doing right now.
Bro,
Stop looking at my screen.
You can't use rose gold.
I can use whatever I want to use. I can use whatever I want to use. All right, watch
We're gonna
this,
go
guys.
into food.
Watch this.
Food and grocery.
We're gonna use. Oh, okay.
We're not gonna go to food and grocery.
Oh,
That's
okay.
a terrible idea. We are gonna go to sports.
You're talking so much. Stop talking. Your voice is annoying. Your voice.
We don't want to.
Stop it.
I hate this.
Shut your mouth. Found another one. It's a great product. It's an amazing market. 8 and 8 products
Activity
is
stable. You're doing freaking
$936,000.
Talk about seasonal. This guy's cheating the whole system.
I just got $1 million. I have over $1 million. So back off. You're like a small child. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna do this. I'm going back to my best sellers.
2 minutes. I got this.
No, you don't.
I got this.
No, sellers method because it's kicking ass and taking names. Yeah, Kale doesn't even know how to do product research. He's one of those fake gurus on YouTube. Doesn't actually do anything.
That's messed up. Don't say that
It's
about
actually
me.
really funny.
Wait a second.
All
right.
like
Where's my ass?
like-
Check this out. Okay, I found one!
What do you mean you found one?
Himalayan salt block, 8 and 7.
That's such
Let's see what it costs. It's
bro.
a big block of salt.
We would never sell that. It's too heavy. Click on one of them.
201,000.
Click on one of
Doesn't
them.
matter.
Click on one of
201,000.
them.
Cha-ching!
I've got one that's 956,000.
Okay, that's really not good. That's not good.
You lose already.
That's not good.
Slime? Are you
I
kidding
will
me?
throw. I don't care
Are
who
you
bought this computer. I will
serious?
throw it.
Are you serious right now? He's decorative swags? What is
Oh,
decorative
found another
swag?
one. 9 and 7 slime kit for
1 minute left. I'm not done yet.
Girls, that...
get some of that. Oh, 55,000. Let me see.
Alright, since you
Let's
started...
add 60,000 to this for sure.
You can't do slime kit for girls.
Why not?
Alright, well, guess what? I just found 2 amazing products that are in fact different. Tree topper and tree skirt. Those are 2 different things. That counts as 2. That puts me up to 4 products.
Slime kit for girls and boys is different than slime kit for girls.
And I've
just
got
for the record,
one right
9 and
here
7.
That's 58,000. And then I've got one.
I got 55,000 right here.
You've already used that product. All right, wait. I actually
15 seconds. Load! Load!
Actually,
oh no, it's not. Oh
actually,
no, it dropped. It dropped.
I got
now.
a new one. I just got a 10 and 10. 10 and 10. 10 and 10. You just
Dude, I'm
got
sick.
wrecked.
Wait,
What? Time's up.
Ottoman
Time's
triangle
up.
alarm.
Time's up.
I can't.
No, you did
I
not
can't.
screenshot it. Did not screenshot it. Time is up.
I'm actually frustrated. Who won?
I destroyed you. I'm at least 5 or 6 products. We have the official scorecards, but I don't remember because there was so much adrenaline. I'm at either like 5 or 6, and I'm well over $1 million.
Alright guys, if you like this, if you enjoyed this, there's a video right here on the screen, and this is me going through this process a lot more in depth. It's showing you how to find suppliers. Click this video right now.
Look at how sincere he's trying to be because he lost.
Stupid face anymore.
Kicked your butt. We'll see you in the next one.